Okay, we're going to try and recover a ledger. So this is a brand new one. I've actually reset it back to factory. So this one here, you basically set it up from scratch, but if you go through all the options to the right hand side, all the way, set up as a new device or restore from recovery phrase. So we'll go that one. Choose 4 pin digits, so you've got to create your digits, so I'll just do 1111 for now. Oh yeah, so that's how you go back one with the X. If you muck it up, so it goes for, I'm just going to do ones all the way. Reconfirm. So this is restoring a device if you've either lost one and you've got it getting it back. Or it's damaged or something. Enter your recovery phrase. Select the number of words written on. So you can select 12, 18 or 24. We've got 24.
Now grab your recovery phrase that you wrote down when you first got this thing, and let's get started on the recovery process.
So now we've got to enter the words. So this is a bit painstaking. So now you've got to enter each one of your words by hand. So this is actually quite a mission. So you basically got to go through and hand put in your words. Oh yeah, so it's giving you a few to okay, that's correct, dentist. Word 2 was arch. In this case it was. So that's what I've got written down. Yep. Word 3 is during. That's the one. It's actually easier than I thought. W. Select W. So I'm looking for want. Yep. Word 5 is snake. This is actually a lot quicker than I thought it was going to be. And you just go to find the one that you want. Law. Yep. Embody. E. M. Yep. Bulk. So I'm just scrolling to the left and then 2 buttons. Yep, bulk. Merit. Canoe. Yep. Judge. Yep. Next one's conduct. This is on my 12 words, 24 words that I've got written down. conduct, yep. So we're halfway. Now I've got wheel. Yep. Morning. Yep, that's it. 2 buttons. Bang. So we're up to word 15, so it's not too bad. Owner. Owner, yep. Next word 16 is print. Print, yep. Exact is the next one. Oh, hang on, what are we doing here? It's got done nothing. Exact, yep. Cabbage, next one. Yep. Wash. Yep. Amazing. Yep. 21 is attract. Attract. 22 is tortoise. Yep. Notice. Yep. And the last one is equal. Done. Now it's processing. And that's it. So it's back to how it was. So you just go and install your apps again, and it will just have all the data there ready for you. So all your coins and stuff will still be in there. Okay, so that's how to recover a Ledger Nano S or X if you have lost it, damaged it, or whatever, destroyed it in some way. So as long as you've got those 24 words from your original install, and you can reset the PIN numbers and all that sort of stuff after you've already done PIN numbers from the beginning. So hope that helps. Cheers.
And once again, if you like these videos, please like, subscribe and ring the bell to get the latest and greatest. Westy over and out. Cheers.